How to deal with negative product reviews and complaints. Negative reviews and complaints can sting, but they're also an opportunity to improve your business and protect your seller reputation. Here's how to manage them effectively using Amazon Seller Central. In your Seller Central account, go to Performance and then click on Feedback Manager. Now this is where you can see all the customer feedback related to your account, products, and services. Inside Feedback Manager, you'll see your star ratings, which is an overview of your average customer rating, your feedback summary, which is a breakdown of positive, neutral, and negative feedback over time, and a detailed feedback list, each review's date, order ID, customer comments, and star rating. Now this section gives you a complete picture of how customers perceive your business. From the Feedback Manager, you have three main actions available. You can contact the customer. You can post a public reply or share your side of the story or offer reassurance to future customers. Or you can request a removal. If feedback violates Amazon's guidelines or is related to issues outside your control, you can ask Amazon to remove it. If the product was fulfilled by Amazon or FBA and the negative feedback relates solely to shipping, packaging, or fulfillment delays, Amazon will often take full responsibility. In these cases, they may remove the comment from your seller rating and note that it was their responsibility and not yours. Always respond promptly, remain professional, and focus on solutions. Even one positive interaction after a complaint can turn a frustrated customer into a repeat buyer. Managing reviews is just one part of building a successful Amazon business. If you want the easier step-by-step way to learn how to source products, optimize listings, and scale profitably, check out the OA Challenge. It's the simplest way to master online arbitrage, and the link is in the description below. Try it out now.